Improving your Fortnite graphics settings can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals and potentially increasing your frame rate. Follow these steps to optimize your settings for the best performance. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu, then select the gear icon to access the graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the graphics settings, find the resolution option. Set it to your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity. If you experience lag, consider lowering the resolution slightly to improve performance. Step 3. Change graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality presets. You can choose between options like low, medium, high, or epic. If your system struggles with performance, select low or medium to increase frame rates while still maintaining decent visuals. Step 4. Customize advanced graphics settings. Scroll down to the advanced graphics settings. Here, you can individually adjust options like shadows, anti-aliasing, textures, and effects. Lower these settings to improve performance, especially if you have a lower-end system. Step 5. Enable performance mode. Finally, enable performance mode if your system supports it. This mode prioritizes frame rate over visual quality, making the game run smoother, especially during intense gameplay moments. By following these steps, you can optimize your Fortnite graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your improved visuals and performance.